Well, we made it. We did Calabogie Peaks, I guess, the Eagle's Nest. Went straight uphill. This is the view we have. It's just beautiful. Quite a cliff. Tucker on a leash right now. He's been off leash, but as soon as we got here, I put him on a leash. Anyways, it's beautiful Sunday morning. I hope you're all doing well and have a great sober, actually, it is Monday. It's Monday holiday up here in Canada. So have a great sober Monday. Enjoy. Bye.